Right, let's talk about the hub method, or the tube method, some people call it. I think some people call that separate things as well. There's different names for it, but fuck it. By no means am I an expert on this method. I haven't utilised this method to its max, the way that some people I know do, but I know that it's a very effective method because, again, I know people that use this method. So I'm going to give you the basics. So what is it, why it works, the best sites to use, and important notes that you should know before using this method. If you're wondering, why are you doing a video if you're not an expert on it? Because people are constantly asking for new fucking marketing methods, that's why. Yeah, there's no other way that I can say it. People are asking for new marketing methods, so fuck it, I'm just going to do it. So, the hub method is a very easy way to instantly reach your target market, which is obviously porn addicts. Now, basically, to really make it simple, you post very small clips and leave them on a cliffhanger, and then plug the OnlyFans account. This will basically funnel people from Pornhub or wherever to your OnlyFans. Very simple. So why it works? The target market is literally already there. These blokes are addicts. Like, there's no other way to explain it. They're absolute degenerate addicts. So you get them high, and then you basically ruin the high by leaving it on a cliffhanger. They're addicts, so they're going to be absolutely dying to see the rest of the video, and this should be enough to funnel a lot of addicts to the OnlyFans account. So the method itself, so you want to take a load of clips from your model's content, like small clips, and you post clips and you call them like leaked content or whatever you want to call it, right? And you make them 25 to 30 seconds long, I've heard, is a good enough time. And you want to leave this on a cliffhanger, so making them want more. For example, you can have like a little role play going. So say, I don't know, the pizza boy comes around and she's about to suck him off. At the moment when she's about to pull down his trousers and the action's about to start, you then put the video on a blank screen and say, watch the rest here, and OnlyFans link. That's basically how you do it. And you can make hundreds of these clips. You can hire people to make these clips for you as well for very cheap. So look on Upwork, etc. Very simple. Best sites to use. So Pornhub, RedTube, XHamster, Xvideos, YouPorn, and any other sites that you can think of. And basically, the larger the funnel, the more people that are going to come to the account. So the more, basically, the max amount you can handle is what you should be doing. It's quite an effective method. Obviously, some people will just be pissed off and be there for free stuff. But again, it's a porn website. What can you expect? So important things to note. You want to make sure you have permission, or have a clause in the contract saying that you basically own the content. So there's no sort of legal trouble when it comes to posting on a porn website. You will need ID. So you want to have her permission again. This is another reason why you need her permission. You may need her to go on the website herself and verify the accounts. And also, don't show too much in these videos because they're addicts and stinky addicts. So they'll be looking for any opportunity they can to basically jizz over the free video. Don't give them that opportunity. You want to make it as exciting as you can without exciting them too much, or they'll just type something else in the search bar. You want them to be interested in that video specifically. But yeah, there's a sweet spot. Like, there's no one, oh look, do this, and because everyone's different, right? So you need to find a sweet spot for your videos and your model and your audience. So that is basically the hub method, very, very simply. Again, I'm no expert on this method, so I can't go into depth as to sort of best optimal descriptions or titles or whatever. I've used this method very little, but I know it works because I know people that do this method. So that is why I've done a video on it. People are always asking for new marketing methods. Here you are. Here's a marketing method. It's super simple. So yeah, and again, you can hire people to chop up these videos. You can hire people to post them for you. as with any marketing method, you can just hire people to do this. So that's, again, how you would automate this method. Yeah, very simple, very effective, and good luck.